Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix sound problem on iPhone 17. Friends, if your iPhone speaker is not working or the sound is very low, your phone does not ring when you receive an incoming call, or you accidentally change the sound settings, then watch this video from beginning to the end. I will provide you 100% solution. Number 1. Adjust volume. So first of all, we will check the volume level on our iPhone. To adjust the volume, go to iPhone settings. After opening the settings, scroll down. Then tap on sound and haptics. From here, you can adjust the ringtone and notification alert sound as per your need. Also check whether your phone is ringing mode or silent mode. If it is in silent mode, now set it to ringing mode. After that, scroll down and tap on headphone safety. If the reduce loud audio option is enabled here, then turn it off. Now go back to the main settings. Next, open the accessibility option. After opening this option, now tap on Face ID and Attention and turn off the Attention Aware features. This was one of the special features of iPhone, but because of this, you will face call ringtone problem. When an incoming call comes and you look at the iPhone, the ringtone volume will decrease. If you don't look at the iPhone or the iPhone is in your pocket, the ringtone will play louder. So let these features remain off. After that, go back. Then scroll down. Here you will get audio visual option. Now tap on it. To experience better sound quality, now turn on mono audio. Then scroll down and check the speaker left and right sound balance is in middle position. If it was not in the middle position, set the volume balance on the middle. Otherwise, you will experience of one side sound is louder and one side sound is lower. After changing all the settings, restart your iPhone once. Now press and hold the power and volume down button simultaneously. Then the power up pop-up will come. Slide it left to right, then your iPhone will shut down. After that, turn on your iPhone again and check whether your sound problem is solved or not. Number 2. Clear speaker. Friends, many times the dust accumulates in the speaker grill of the iPhone and block the sound. That's why the speaker output sound become very low. Now we will play some high frequency sound to remove the dust particles. I have given the speaker cleaning sound link in the video description. From here, you can directly open this page. After opening the article, scroll down and find 2 high frequency audio. Here you will see 2 audio sound. One is of 5 minutes and the other is of 3 minutes. Now set your iPhone media volume to maximum and play this high frequency audio one by one. This is a high frequency audio. It will play very loudly on your iPhone. Now place your phone on a flat surface and keep shaking it. Continue this process until your speaker are fixed. If a Bluetooth headphone is connected while cleaning the speaker, disconnect it. Guys, in this way you can easily remove dust and water from your iPhone and your speaker will start working again. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.